Okay, so I went for the lowest hanging fruit, which basically means the one that was easiest to get off the trailer. So what we're going to do is essentially a spark test, and it's actually going to test a few other things. The carburetor actually doesn't look too bad. This is one of the ones I picked up last night. And this bale, I think, is actually on backwards. Actually, I know it's on backwards. You're not going to be able to see what I'm doing. But, I'm basically fixing the orientation of the bale handle so it'll work properly, and there it does. So I'm just going to go ahead, throw some carburetor cleaner down the throat, pull the handle, she'll run. Let's get you up on the bench and get this thing taken apart. So off camera, I went ahead and I fired up the air compressor, blew this all off, try to get it as clean as I can. Even though we know it runs, I want to look at the spark plug because I can tell a lot of the story, and I can already tell this thing's had a rough life. It's got some carbon buildup in there. It'll be replaced, but we do know that this thing will run on that spark plug. So let's put that back in. I wanted to try to use that Amazon Basics kit, but it just doesn't have the sizes I need in it. So let's get this carburetor off. 1 second. We're not cavemen, we have power tools. And that is going on. I believe that should be 112 millimeter, 10 millimeter. So we gotta look at how the spring is oriented as well. That was right there. I think that's it, because I want to get this tank off. Tank is off, carburetor is out. Ooh, I just lost a washer to something. Gotta find out what that's to. And then, let me go grab a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright. Pop these screws out of here. Looks like this tank was empty. Actually, before I pull any of these out, be right back. Took the air compressor and blew out around the gasket so I don't drop any dirt into the tank, which already looks like hell. The tank looks empty already, but still looks like hell. Oh boy, this thing has seen a bad life. Alright, so took and sprayed that out. Man. So while cleaning this, I discovered that this has 1, 2, 3 holes in the bottom of the tank. They drove screws into 2 of them and put silicone over it. This one looks like it had a screw, but the screw fell out. And I could probably get one of these tanks cheap. In fact, I might. But we know that this engine will run. So what I'm going to go ahead and do... Oh wow, hold on, I just discovered something else here. This has a crack in the deck. Man, that's crazy. So if I had... Hold on, I might actually have some silicone. Let me try putting some silicone on this and see what happens.